Hi guys, it's Tram. Today I will be attempting the Redraw this challenge. I think that's what it's called. Artworks. If you remember these ancient creatures, they're called minions. First off, I'm going to be showing you some embarrassing old art, and out of those artworks, I will pick one to redraw, and hopefully we'll see some improvements. I don't know, it could have gotten worse. This is the very first sketchbook. Okay, this one is truly ancient. It is my very first acrylic painting. As you can see, it's a little bee. And behold, first off, there's the sun. It looks like Asian Santa Claus. And there's this astronaut that looks like he's suffocating. You know, it still has a good message. Here's a piece inspired by Roar, Katy Perry. I followed an art a la carte tutorial on this. Let me tell you, her art tutorials are the reason why I'm still here and still drawing. I don't know what this is. I'm just confused. What the heck is that? Here's a horse drawing. I was experimenting with cartoons at this point because I was really intrigued by how people formed faces. I named him, watch this, Dr. EX. Because EX is an acronym for I'm a crazy scientist. Isn't that just genius? This is not that at all. This is a raccoon that I drew. Next piece, I remember I was also really proud of it when I finished. What happened here? She looks like a folding chair. These two girls are the popular kids, and so right here it just says, I'm prettier. No, I'm prettier. There's another girl in the background who's supposedly not as pretty, and she says, uh-oh, who wins? Yes, this was very shallow. I was only 9. See this guy in the back with heart eyes? That's his teacher.
Ladies and gentlemen, we got him.
Yeah, this is not a very good storyline. Looking at this actually hurts me. It's a moleskin sketchbook, and look what I did to it. So Tumblr, right? I also got into like patterns at this point, so I drew a lot of stuff like this. It's not really that good, but I don't know, I thought it was cool. So here's another example. I drew a lot of this. Yeah, the little lucky cat that you see at nail salons, they go like this. Dragons were still a really big thing for me. I named him Firestone. Hakuna Matata. I loved that movie when I was a kid. I drew a bunch of flowers, and it says, go ahead and smell the flowers. At that time, each flower had a different smell. I thought I was a genius for doing that. I still love you, letter to pizza. For some reason, people on Tumblr were really obsessed with slices of pizza. Typical. This says just chew it. A field of wheat, I guess, and grass on the side, and a path that leads to a house in the distance. It bothers me how this run isn't in the middle. This one's cool too. I like this one a lot. This is supposed to resemble like puzzle pieces, and it just says where are you, and over here the pieces form a girl. People always want to blend in, and in the end there is no distinction between you and everyone else. Birds, more birds. First off is this. I had a lot of assistance from my teacher for this one, but it is a big improvement. I think it looks pretty cool. Yeah. Another one, I'm pretty sure I did these two in the same day. Ooh, I could definitely see myself redoing something like this. Another one. Colors could be a lot better, but it has potential. It's inspired by a poem. The girl was talking about her depression, and she said, you know, sometimes my depression was as small as a butterfly in a bear's palm, and sometimes it felt like the bear. I think I'm going to redo this. only stayed up till 1. I have school tomorrow. What am I doing? Look, it's not my best painting by any means. I think that I overworked this a little, and by little I mean a lot. Basically, I just lost momentum over time, and it's just, this is the best that it's gonna get. It makes me really sad and disappointed because I really liked the sketch and I had high hopes for this one, okay? So did I succeed at the redraw this challenge? I would say no, but did I improve? Definitely yes, in my opinion at least. Progress over perfection, okay? That is how I'm going to comfort myself today. If you want to see more drawings from me that aren't failures, then make sure you go check out my art Instagram at tramdoodles. Comment down below your thoughts on this painting. I would love to hear them. And as always, stay weird, stay beautiful, and I will see you in my next video.